I'll guide you through how to create eBay account. If you find this useful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open your web browser and search for eBay.com official website. Click on the official link to go to the eBay homepage. Once you're there, look at the upper left side of the screen and click on the register button. Sometimes, you might be asked to verify that you're human, so just follow the instructions if that happens. Next, choose the personal option to set up a personal account and fill out the form with your details, including your name, email address, and a secure password. After that, you'll need to add your phone number, and in some cases, eBay will send a verification code to your phone. Enter that code to confirm your number and complete this step. Finally, to finish setting up your account, go to the Settings section and fill out any additional forms or details required to complete your account. And that's it. Your eBay account is ready, and you can start exploring all the great deals and features eBay has to offer. Thanks for watching.